How to appear offline on WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Want to appear offline on WhatsApp to avoid any kind of interruptions from other active people or maintain privacy? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to appear offline on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp on your device. You will land on the chat section. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner. A menu will appear. Tap on Settings. Next, tap on Privacy. Under Who Can See My Personal Info section, tap on Last Seen and Online. You will see two sections, Who Can See My Last Seen and Who Can See When I am Online. To appear offline on WhatsApp, you need to adjust the settings in both sections. Under the Who Can See My Last Seen section, select Nobody. This option ensures that no one can see when you last seen their message. Next, under the Who Can See When I am Online section, select Same as Last Seen. By setting Who Can See My Last Seen to Nobody and Who Can See When I am Online to Same as Last Seen, you will not appear online to anyone. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to appear offline on WhatsApp. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.